So in our shipping details widget, we need to add another button from where rider can accept the order. So we are going to add under this full address. So here I'm going to add an order status. If order status equals ended, then we are going to return a empty container. So an empty container, and then or else we can add gesture detector, or we can add an elevated button. We can keep the unpressed empty for now. Then in the child and style form we can use these ones. So instead of go back, we can write conform to conform to deliver this parcel. We can add a size box of height 10. So now in the onPressed function we can so here we can write user location user location equals to user location, and then user location dot get current location, and we can create another function above here called confirmed parcel shipment. Build context string get order id string seller id string purchaser id. And now here we can write firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot doc get order id dot update so rider uid shared preferences dot get string uid, then rider name shared preferences dot get string name, status picking latitude position dot latitude and longitude should be position dot longitude, then address complete address, and then if writer confirms, then you can add another screen. So send rider to parcel picking screen. So here we can write confirmed parcel shipping. So instead of get order ID, you can write order ID, seller ID, and we have to add null check, and then order by user. So we can create that screen. So here in our main screens directory, you can add a dart file called parcel underscore picking underscore screen, and here I'm going to import material.dart, then stateful widget parcel picking screen, and I'm going to add few variables. So string purchaser ID, string seller ID, string get order ID. I can just keep it capital letter, then string purchaser address, double purchaser let, and double purchaser longitude. Parcel picking screen. So this dot purchaser ID, this dot seller ID, this dot get order ID, this dot purchaser address, this dot purchaser latitude, and this dot purchaser longitude. So in our shipment address screen, we can write navigator dot push context material page route context parcel picking screen, and we can add semicolon here, and then purchaser ID, purchaser address model, add null check, and then full address, and then purchaser model dot latitude, then purchaser longitude model dot longitude, and then seller ID, so So seller ID and then get order ID, get order ID. So now if we click here, so we have to run our app. Now go to new available orders, then click here. So we are getting an error. So position dot latitude, it's showing null. So let me check. So in our home screen and in the init state, we can write user location equals to user location, and then user location dot get current location. Now if we click on the new available orders and go here and click this, we are still getting null value. So let me fix that in the next video. So we are getting error because we need to enable permission for location permission for this app. So go to settings, app info, and from here we can see that no permissions granted, not allowed. So I'm going to enable this, and then I can just go back and open our app, and then if we hit run, then we go to new available orders and select our order, then confirm, then we go to this parcel pickup screen. So let's design our parcel pickup screen. So we can add few variables here. So double seller lat, seller longitude, then get seller data, asynchronous, firebase firestore dot instance dot collection sellers dot doc widget dot seller id dot get dot then document snapshot, and here we can write seller lat equals to document snapshot dot data, add null check, then lat, and then seller longitude equals to document snapshot dot data dot, sorry, not dot, longitude, and we can add init state, and we can write this function name. So get seller data, and we can add another function called confirm parcel confirm parcel has been picked. So get order id, seller id, purchaser id, purchaser address, purchaser latitude, and purchaser longitude. And here we can add Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot doc get order id dot update. Then we can write status delivery, and then address, complete address, then latitude, position dot latitude, and then longitude should be position dot longitude. Then we can use scaffold, body, column, cross axis alignment dot center, and main axis alignment dot center. And then we can add children. So image dot asset, we are going to use our asset image called map.png. So images slash map.png, width we can give it like 350, and we can see our image. And then we can use size box of height 10, then gesture detector on tap, we are going to add another row here, and for now we can keep this empty or open. So let's add main axis alignment dot center, children, icon, icons dot location on, then color, Foodpanda color. Then we can add size box of width 10, then column, children, size of width 10, and then we use a column text show restaurant location on map. Then style, text style, font size 20. So that's it. And after this gesture detector, we can add a button. So elevated button, we can add child text order has been picked. Con order has been picked. Then textile color, colors dot white, and we can give this style. So elevated button dot style form, background color Foodpanda color, and we can give some space here. So I'm going to use size box with height of 10, and on tap, on pressed, we can write user location, user location equals to user location, and user location dot get location, then confirm parcel has been picked. I'm just rearranging them. So add semicolon here. So instead of get order id, I'm going to write widget dot get order id, then widget dot seller id, widget dot purchaser id, and then widget dot purchaser address, widget dot purchaser latitude, and widget dot purchaser longitude. So now here on tap we can, so we need to add few more things. So from this function we are going to go to parcel delivering screen. So let's add another start file called parcel underscore delivering screen, and I'm going to import material.dart, then stateful widget parcel delivering screen, and I can copy these things and paste it here. So purchaser id, purchaser address, we are going to need all of them. So parcel delivering screen, we can copy this as well, Now if we click here, nothing's happening. Why is that? Let's see. So if we press here, we should be able to go to another screen. Oh, we have to write here that navigator dot, we can copy it from here and paste it here, and instead of this we can write parcel delivering screen, and instead of this we can write purchaser address, and then purchaser lat and purchaser longitude, then seller id, get order id, everything is fine. Now if we tap here, we go to this screen. So we need to add another directory called maps, so that we can see our location on Google Map. So maps, and here I'm going to add a dart file called map underscore utils. So here I'm going to add a class called map utils, and then map, we can write this in the next video. So for now we see that we are going to parcel delivering screen. So that's that screen will be similar to our parcel picking screen, so we can actually copy everything and paste it there. So let's copy this scaffold and paste in our parcel delivering screen. So we don't have this function, so we can just remove this one, and for Foodpanda color we are going to import global.dart, and that's it. So now we need to change few things, so we can do that in the next video.